Right, yeah, this is having a template done because we've got a skin system that needs customising a bit. Okay, you go ahead.
Hold that for me.
Okay. You're strong.
Bit of training. So obviously twist the edges so it gives you more something to hold on to when they're doing it.
Yep.
Going to make him a bit longer for Phil because he's got to use one hand for both.
Plus I've got an enormous size head. hence why I always made sure I was going to have a hair system. If I had a small head, nobody would have ever known me.
That's it. Hold that one
I'd have probably shaved my head.
Right, so what we do, we always aim for a forehead. I know Phil knows exactly where he wants it,
Yeah.
so it might be a little bit different for this one, but
Yeah,
we always usually aim for about 4 fingers. So your hairline will be roughly just above my finger. We always do the templates colour coded.
Yeah, red at the front because we generally use lace. And then black around the perimeter.
So we always do like that just so I know where the points are that I need to go to. And create a rough hairline because when we cut it we can neaten it up a little bit whilst where we need to.
Cool. Oh.
And we always colour it in to make it idiot proof.
Yeah.
Meaning when Phil sends the orders off.
Yeah. It's all for me. It can look a bit dodgy, can it, that? And then slap a load of sellotape.
Well, we've got to do the back as well.
Right.
So we'll do it in black. Just gets like. With Phil's hair, obviously, it's already been cut out to the shape we need it, so we're not having to go any deeper.
It's called a bucket size. I've definitely finished my hair loss. Unless I get alopecia, but God forbid I won't get that.
Oh, I think you're all right with that. And now we're just going to put loads of sellotape on it. We'll start in the middle, go all the way back, and just let it lay down. Don't want to force it, you don't want to put big creases in it or anything like that. We always overlap.
Yeah, so it's just both ways, isn't it? You do that
Yeah,
first.
so we do all those in one direction first.
That's a group, isn't it?
God, yeah, terrible one.
Any of their tunes?
Yeah, listen to the radio every day, innit?
Oh, yeah.
Probably know them all. That I've been to like 5 hour concerts. No. Yeah, okay. So once it's all done one way, we then go across just to make it nice and strong.
If the camera's wobbling now, I haven't worked out for months. I can barely hold it up. Actually, I can let go now, can't
Yeah.
I? There we go. Everyone knows I'm patriotic, so I have red template, white for the perimeter and blue for the parting.